What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you know, I have a blanket on my head because it's pretty cold in my room. So today we're going to be making slime. First you need some glue, a red cup if you have one, and last but not least, this. But you have to use the cap, so be careful or your mom will get mad. Alright, let's start making this slime. If your glue has this black ink, take it off. You will use. If you want a lot of slime, then you can. If you like, if you're more like. And the part 2, gone wrong. Oh, sorry, I was spelling that. I was repeating Gone because we're next to a helicopter and you couldn't find the body. Well, one like you go and pray for that. Alright, let the glue open. Alright. Oh my god, that glue already. Alright. Alright. For me, I'm using all the glue. Oh my god. Alright, I think that's enough for this. Yep, that's enough because. Oh, look at that glue. That looks so cool. Right. So, alright. Come on, let me put the cap on. Sorry guys, it's just I see my videos and then they probably going wrong and I had to share my phone. It's a pretty bad day. Oh, pretty good because next. Oh heck. No. Oh my god, what the heck is going on? Sorry guys, Sammy, can you give me a cup from the, can you give me the cups that are over there? Oh my god. Over there, right there? Wait. Hold on guys, I'll come back. Gotta get something. Oh, this thing leaking. I saw the pink fish. Are you okay, Nature Cat? Why does it have to be water? Good news, Lola. The water's so I'm back. Alright. Done my cups. Alright. To the cups. Alright. Right here because this thing is going to be a disaster. Alright. That's the cup. Sammy, can you give me that? Can you give me? Oh, so it's leaking. Come on, guys. This is a disaster. Go! Oh, it's leaking. This is the place. This is where we're headed to. Our new home. Looks like what we have here is a special place for a special bird. Right. So make sure to put a little bit.
Should have been here by now. We saw Tick around here. I could have sworn I saw something. Oh my god! Look at that! I was right! Look at me! Oh my god!
Put the cap back on.
My friends! It's Pearl and Martha and Rick! Lola! You made it!
After,
We were so worried
get a
about
fork.
you.
Rick, you're such a warrior. I made it!
And then,
My new friends helped me.
So cute, and they are in pink. I guess they need to eat more shrimp.
Yep, it takes time to turn pink, pal. I started out gray, just like those little angels.
Well, Lola,
Right.
looks like you have everything you need.
Woo!
Yes! So happy!
Alright.
I can't thank you all enough for helping me.
Hey, what are
This is probably gonna
So
not gonna work. So, I hope it works. Alright. Next. Pump it in. Alright. Alright, keep dumping it. On my phone. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. Next, get the fruit, store it. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh guys, this slime is gonna be cool. Check it out. It looks like it looks nasty. It looks kind of cool. I think I gotta put a little bit of glue. Let me put a little bit of glue, guys. Guys, this is just insane. I never done this before. I don't know how it's slime. What? Please. Emily, get out! Get out! I'm trying to make slime. Get out of here.
You don't even know how to make slime.
Shut up. No, they don't. Alright. Guys, this is coming to slime. You see this? When I keep stirring it, yeah? Now how come I saw your slime? Alright, I'm gonna put more glue. Ah. Can't believe I caught her. Alright. Alright. You said this suspicion was coming. Oh. What's fucking going on?
You're not gonna believe this, Nature Cat. What are you looking at?
Oh my god. It's almost becoming slime.
Hey there, I'm Wanda.
And also, subscribe to my friend Flogger Boys, 2000 and some, I know, I think it's for 113. Guys, more spinning, the more it gets. Guys, like this video and subscribe and hit the notifications.
5, 6, 7.
Wow, it's almost slime. A little bit bubbles. Sorry about the dark things and my voice. It's because look at you. Woo! Woo! Wait, what is it? Oh, alright, just kidding. Alright, I'm just almost done stirring. Oh, the slime's getting insane. I think I need more stirring. Sorry guys, this video is taking so long. I had to say a lot of sorries this time. Down this freaking liar, man.
Now that I think about it, he was around when I lost all my other kitty toys too. When I lost Scratchy Happy, Ronald was there, and he was happy. Too happy. And when Officer
Tinga.
Dillon disappeared in Sunset Park,
Oh my god, Tinga!
Ronald was close. A little too close. Johnny Barney. Dear sweet Johnny Barney.
I actually love this thing.
Or was he?
Guys, this guy. Guys!
Ronald has been taking
Whoa!
my toys.
Actually, no. Oh, this video is taking so long.
Why, hello, Nature Cat. What seems to be the problem? Did you take him? Where is he? Mr. Silly Sock, my kitty toy. I did nothing of the sort. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some mounting to do.
Huh?
What's going on here, Nature?
Right here.
Is this guy bothering you, Nature Cat?
Every time I lost one of my kitty toys this week, Ronald was there, acting suspicious.
I'm making my video. Hold on, I'm almost done.
I am a pretty suspicious cat, but I did not, however, do anything wrong this time. Come on, Nature Cat, let's get out of here. Toodle to the Nature Cat. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this, Ronald.
Shit, I'm gonna do.
Ronald could have taken my toys.
Oh no!
Oh, don't you worry, friends. I got an idea. I got a lot of ideas.
What say you, Spider?
Here's what I'm thinking. You can catch the toy chaser in the net.
I'm listening.
I want to catch something. I use my web.
Your web? I thought you spiders made these webs as decorations.
Well, orb webs like Wanda's are cool to look at, but they do so much more than that.
This web of mine keeps me safe from other animals might want to eat.
Get it, not
I
slime.
look scrumptious.
But the webs are fancy,
Wait,
dainty,
hold on.
and delicate. How does it protect?
Alright,
Oh, hey, boss. It may look
I'll see you guys later. Peace. Subscribe.